Hello mga mahal! Welcome back to my learning channel. This is one of tutorials where you can level up your math skills with me, Miss B. So hello! Meron akong bagong segment dito sa aking YouTube channel. Charan! And it is called Answering Your Comments. Yes! So, mukhang medyo marami na tayong reach at hindi naman marami. Not as many as I hope, but thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you so much for commenting. I just received a comment kanina who's asking for help sa isang problem na nahihirapan daw siyang i-solve. So, sasagutin natin yan ngayon. So, it's just gonna be a short video kasi yun pa lang naman yung comment na natatanggap ko. But this is to show you that I do answer comments and I would even make a video about it para matulungan ko kayo. Okay? Alright. So, ang comment ni Enimzaj Brown, which I think is binaliktad na Jasmine. So, hello Jasmine. Tuwagin na lang kitang Jasmine, ha? Brown. Sabi niya, hello po, paano naman po kung there are two pathways where visitors can walk along going to a circular garden? The pathways are both a tangent to the garden whose center is 40 kilometers away from the main entrance. If the area of the garden is about 706.5 square meters, how long is each pathway? So in this case, kung mapapansin nyo, hindi outright given yung kailangan natin. Ano yung binigay? Instead of radius, you are given an area. So dito, mga mahal, kailangan nyo pong i-solve muna si radius before you can actually solve for the length of the pathway. Okay? So yun ang gagawin natin right now. So ang gagawin ko lang po ay plain white slides kasi para lumutang ang ating mahiwagang mga answers at solutions. Alright, so as usual, ang gagamitin nating method ay ang aking favorite method, which is si RESA method. So, R stands for representation, E equation, S solution, and A answer. Yun po ang gagawin natin to solve this problem. Okay? So, syempre, unang-una, sa representation muna tayo. Magdodrawing tayo, mga mahal. Okay? So, actually, kamukha lang siya nung problem na binigay ko dun sa video kung saan siya nag-comment. So, meron tayong circular garden, tapos may dalawang pathways na tangent. Ito yung main gate, eme-eme. Tapos, ang binigay is yung area. Ang area daw ay 706.5 square meters. Okay, so your radius is not given outright. However, we can easily get that. Okay? Tapos, remember, ang idea dito, mga anak, so ito daw ay 40 meters away. Ang idea dito is, the main idea or the main theorem that you're going to base your answer from is that the radius is perpendicular to any tangent line on the circle. Okay? So, any radius that you form on the point of tangency is going to be perpendicular to your tangent line. Kaya ka makakabuo ng isang right triangle. Kaya mo siya masosolve using Pythagorean theorem. But in this case, as I said kanina, na medyo paulit-ulit na, yung area yung given. So, we have to solve for the radius first before we can solve for the length of the pathway. So, papangalanan ko na lang siyang x. Okay? So, what equations will we use? So, syempre, kailangan natin yung equation ng area ng circle, which is pi r squared. And then, we also need the Pythagorean theorem, which is a squared plus b squared is equal to c squared. Okay? Now, after E, pupunta na tayo sa S, sa ating mahiwagang solution. So, first, we need to solve for the radius. Given that your area is 706.5 square meters, okay, that is going to be equal to pi r squared. So, how do we solve for r? Your r is going to be the square root of 706.5 over pi. At ang pi po natin gagamitin ay 3.14. So, your radius will only have an approximate value for your radius. Okay? So, mag-calculate tayo gamit ang ating mahiwagang calculator. So, that's 706.5. Teka, i-check ko muna kung tama yung values ko, hane. Baka mamaya mali naman yung value na binigay ko. 706.5. Okay. Tama. So let's go back. 706.5 divided by 3.14. And then we're going to get the square root of that. It's 15. Okay? So your radius is 15 meters. So after that, pwede mo nang kuhanin ang iyong length of the pathway. Okay? So how do we do that? Yung R mo, papaalala ko lang sa inyo, ganito yung itsura niya ha. Ito yung R, ito yung 40, so ito yung 15 kasi na-solve na natin siya. So ito yung X. So ibig sabihin, yung given natin ay hypotenuse at saka isang leg. So in order for us to find the other leg, it's gonna be square root of 40 squared minus 15 squared. Okay? And that will give you 40 squared minus 15 squared. Square root of that, 37.08 meters. Okay? So, sana nakatulong itong video na ito. Sana nasagot ko ng maayos ang iyong question, Jasmine. If you have more questions, if you have other problems that you would like me to help you solve, ilagay nyo lang po yan sa comment section down below. And I'm very, very glad to offer help anytime. Okay? Maraming salamat sa panonood and I'll see you guys next time. Paalam!